Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashutosh. Today I will talk about qualitative data analysis. There are various forms of research: qualitative data analysis, quantitative data analysis, time series data analysis. Basically, a researcher should know all forms of data analysis. In my this playlist, I will discuss about basics of qualitative data analysis and what I found during my research. I had to read all the basics of qualitative data analysis. Then I had to work hard to understand the qualitative data analysis software also. Like every researcher, I also start learning first quantitative data analysis. So once you learn quantitative data analysis, so you become quite structure about variables, methods, relationships, and the methodology. And it is very structure fond of research. Whereas qualitative data analysis is unstructured form of research where you start from somewhere and you end somewhere and you had to work hard very much and it is unstructured research. Friends, NVivo is a qualitative data analysis software and it is developed by a lady scientist, Mrs. Richard, with her husband. The story was very interesting, which we will discuss on later part of our journey. NVivo is a qualitative data analysis software, which is a product of QSR International. NVivo helps qualitative researchers to organize, analyze, and find insight in the unstructured or qualitative data like interview, open-ended survey, responses, journal articles, social media, and web content. Whereas deep level of analysis on small or large volume of data are required. This is a technique which is altogether different, and the scientists who have worked on these techniques all different, like Strauss, Corbin. So we will discuss about them, what they said, and how the research been done. Friends, NVO is used predominantly by academic, government, health, and commercial research across a diverse range of fields, including social sciences such as anthropology, psychology, communication, sociology, as well as in the field of forensic, tourism, criminology, and marketing. Software can be used by anyone, but basics of research should be also strong. Then and then we can find out right findings from this software, which we will discuss later on. Friends, I have purchased NVIVO 12 Plus during my PhD for my analysis. I will showcase you how actually open the software, how software looks like. But in this presentation, I will show you some of the interfaces when we open NVivo. This is the first page where it is called file page, where you import all of your data and make all codes. And this is the first page actually where you can have a file, home, import, create, export, and share. This is the first page when we open a project in NVivo. Friends, we can import data from almost all platforms for our qualitative research. We can import data from other projects. We can import data from our browser through nCapture, which will help us to analyze social media. We can import data through files. It could be a Word data, any data we can from there. We can import Excel data, SurveyMonkey forms, SPSS data, Mendeley, Zotero, EndNote, all type of data. Even we can import our emails also, because generally when we uh, when we analyze things, we need to analyze some emails also, which we analyze in our qualitative data. So this software is now comprehensive for all kind of data which can be used for analysis. So now this software has become more versatile than the earlier. Friends, in this tab, we can classify nodes, cases through our different databases, or the classification of data. The best part which NVivo done after NVivo 12 Plus is that you can directly upload your recordings and you can get transcripts for the same through NVivo. This is a new development of NVivo. Generally, when we did our PhD, we need to transcript our recordings before analysis, and it takes a lot of time. Now these features, they have done it. Once you upload it, and then you automatically do the transcriptions, and so that you can analyze it. This is the add-on feature from new NVivo. This I want to discuss here, and in times to come also we will discuss how transcription can help us for the analyzing the data. Friends, in this tab we will learn how we can generate text search queries, word frequency queries, how we can generate different type of charts, hierarchical charts, mind maps, project maps, cluster analysis, and various diagrams which help a researcher to write a very good interpretations of the data. It has been said, if data has been visualized or interpreted in a diagram, you can write interpretation very well. And NVivo is very advanced on this, and times to come we will show how to create all the diagrams in NVivo. Friends, this is the last tab, and but very important tab where we can export our diagrams and project and to our thesis or our papers, and we can paste our diagrams there so that it could be uh, easily sent it uh, to the evaluator about the data. So we will use this also in times to come, and I will show you how we export project, how we copy the project, how we take printouts from there. This is the last step for the NVivo. So in this presentation, we have discussed little bit about qualitative data analysis, and a small introduction of NVO software. In times to come, in my this playlist, I will touch all the basics of qualitative research and the know-how of NVO softwares so that researchers should not face any difficulties for their data interpretation and writing a literature review for their paper as well as their thesis. Friends, please subscribe my channel and give me your feedback to improve the same. Thank you. Happy data analysis.